Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. Today we are seeing Tum Kab Jaoge Aditi summary. Everything in English. Okay, let's start. Now first we will see about writer, author. Okay, so who is the writer? Sharat Joshi is the writer. He was born in 21st May 1931 in Ujjain city of Madhya Pradesh. His childhood was spent in many cities. So he went to many cities in his childhood, they are telling. And he remembered in a government job for some time. So he did some government job also for some time, then took up writing as a livelihood. So he chose writing as his livelihood. And in additional, he also writes the articles, novels, and columns. He also wrote screenplays and dialogues for comedy, serials. Also, he wrote. Who? Sharat Joshi, and he died in 1991. So sad, right? Such a nice writer died in 1991. And now we will go with our chapter, that is Tum Kab Jaoge Aditi is a very good lesson. So Aditi is nothing but a guest, right? So to writer's home, a guest has come for 4 days. He says, "Oh guest, my wallet was shaken on seeing you." He will welcome with full smile, okay? The dinner was made as heavy as the mid-class dinner. Throughout, thought you could leave in the morning. He thought that his guest came right. The writer thought he may leave in morning, next day morning, he thought, because he had dinner and slept no. But it did not happen up to their expectations. Won't happen right in reality. He was like, "You are comfortable blowing cigarette rings here?" Yes. On the other hand, I am telling you to go by changing the calendar dates in front of you. So the writer is in his. He was feeling that in his mind he could see the calendar when he will go. He came so early, when he will go. He thought. And on the third day, you request to get a clothes washed. He requested that clothes may be washed, right? He asked, "Please wash my clothes," right? He was telling, okay. Then clothes washed by you did not. So then what happened? He thought, "You cannot wash at your home. Why you came to wash your clothes to my home? You won't leave." He's thinking, okay. When his wife listened, her eyes became too large. She's getting so much of angry. Then on the 4th day, he washed his clothes. Yet you are still there. Already washing clothes over, but that person is still there in their house. And all the topics of conversation are over. Now everything, whatever he want to talk, good morning, all the stuff are over. And then both are getting so much angry by this person, but they're controlling. Can't do right, they will tell right. Guest is like God. They'll tell right. That's why. And the heat of hospitality is also over. Preparing in food. His wife is getting very bored of cooking new items and she's not having patience to cook now. Daily they'll eat some normal food, but this guest will come means we should cook something like non-veg and all the stuff, right? No, she's getting so much angry. She don't want to give food. They thought so they may go. And then the house is called Sweet Home, but the sweetness of the house is over with you. Nothing. So actually, the house is called Sweet Home, right? Now that that person came. Any sweetness is there? Nothing is there. The author is telling, and he is feeling when this fellow will get out from here, man. He is feeling. Then they thought, okay, he may leave and tomorrow, himself tomorrow. He want to ask when this person will go. Suppose you are a good, but I am a man. Humans or gods cannot stay together for long. Therefore, if you want to protect your dignity, then live yourself. When will you leave, my guest? Now the person is telling like, please man, leave my house. When you will leave? Staying 4 days, eating like buffalo, sleeping. What is this? I cannot stay with you for long time, right? Guest means how many days you should stay? One night you should stay and go. What man, you're staying 4 days and not going. One day what they did, they thought that he will go by not keeping food, and they did not eat food, and they said that, oh, we are doing fasting. They thought that person will go. That person, no, he won't live. He's sticking like publicum to them. He cannot leave. Then the author is telling when this person will go. And here, while reading newspaper also, he came and the author was reading newspaper. Then he was seeing some magazines and all. Their guest, he is not God, he is ghost, he felt. But he cannot say to him, right, directly, hey, go out of my house, man. He cannot say, right. He himself have to go. So if he goes, no, some nice identity, good thing will be there. If we send him, no, other people, other neighbors will feel, what, they're sending their guest out of, kicking them out of their house, they'll feel, right. So this person is like irritating them. So first day they welcomed very well, because first day, no, they thought they'll go, but they are going, no, he can wash his clothes in his home, no, why he want to come to here and waste water in his house? He cannot waste in his house, He was feeling. Oh, finally the guest went or not, we don't know in this lesson. Please go out of my house, guest, he's requesting. So this is the lesson. I think you like this lesson. This lesson is very interesting, I think. And again, next time this guest just should not come, he is feeling. And he's always, day by day, he's clearing my pocket. He's keeping one big hole to my pocket in my wallet. The money are also getting over. He's thinking, author is thinking, please man, get out of my house. So this is the lesson. I think, hope you all liked it. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Click the bell icon very strongly so we get a 1 subscriber. If you're getting on guest angry also, no problem. Slightly you click the bell icon, okay? Bye for now.